a first glance, only a first glance, into the solar energy system that I've made during the past weeks. We are now on 24.6 volts. Here inside there is a regulator made with a field effect transistor, and the whole thing is completely classical. That's what I want to say. And here some connections of the entrance to the solar cell. The solar panel is 230 watts. It is outside, say on my front door, and that is, say, a piece around my house where there is an enormous amount of solar energy. So it's picked up now by that solar panel, and I also have a solar panel in my garden. Both circuits use the same setup, made with a field effect transistor, and then I mean a MOSFET, of course a MOSFET, not a normal field effect transistor, and some resistors, and say a Zener diode, and that Zener diode is here. Well, of course this is only a first glance, and when you are interested I will show the schematic, so let me know if you are interested in this schematic. I will give it. There is, of course, say, a kind of standard thing when we are looking at lead acid batteries. They are here, two 12-volt batteries, completely new, by the way, so not an old and a new battery, completely new batteries that I've bought on 3 September 2024. They are connected, and of course there is a, say, here a fuse, and here is a fuse. Well, they are charged, of course, together. They form, say, an electric unit in terms of charging, discharging, etc., etc. So anyway, this is, say, a first glance, and again, when you are interested, I will show how it all works. This is the inverter. It's a 24-volt inverter of Samlex. This is a type number. It sends the energy into my living room, 230 volts, 50 hertz, pure sine wave, of course. And here is, say, the switch that I made myself. It is a kind of knife switch here. Switch is off, switch is on, and of course there could be a spark here, so this switch must of course not be mounted here inside the box, where in say an extreme case hydrogen and oxygen can be built up, and that can lead to an explosion. So all things here, no things here inside this box can give a spark. I had in the past that situation where really two batteries, where I blown up two batteries by a simple spark. Anyway, let's leave it this way. So only a first ID again. It switched on. Well, now I'm on 24.6 volts. That is the battery at the moment. The charge, the highest voltage to be charged will be 28.6 volts, and that is approximately, say, 0.9 volts or 1.9 volts below the gas barrier. Of course, in this box where the batteries are no hydrogen or oxygen must be built up. Well, anyway, thanks for watching. Only a first idea, and again, when you are interested, I will publish all the schematics. And this is, say, the first ideas about how this all was made. Thanks for watching.